Welcome to our science AS levels. And in the last lesson, we have started the chapter number 12 of our paper 2. And this is the last chapter of our course called software development, right? In software development, we come to know that every program have to go with some stages called program development life cycle. In PDLC, or program development life cycle, we have to use these 5 stages. Number 1 is analysis. Number 2 is design. Number 3 is coding. Number 4, testing. And number 5, maintenance. In analysis, we come to know that in analysis, we are going to study the feasibility study. We have to find out the facts and we have to work for the stepwise refinement procedure. Means we need to go through our solution. We need to go through the steps which we are going to use in our program. Number 2 is a design phase. In design phase, we come to know from the analysis stage, we are going to collect some information. In that information, we are going to implement into a design stage. We are going to draw a structure diagram. We are going to draw flow charts. We are going to write a pseudocodes. And then we come to know that how our program look like. Then next stage is coding. After completing analysis design, the coding is a main step in which we need to write a code for our program. For that code, we need to choose a suitable programming language. Like if you wanted to work on a Python, you can pick Python. If you are a developer and working on VB, so you have to work on VB. So if you're working on C language, you have to work and make a program on C language. So it depends upon the programmer which programming language they are going to pick. Right? So you're not bound to write a program on a particular language. It's your choice as a programmer's choice to pick any good language and write a code on it. Then we have a testing. The program run many times with different set of test data to test that does everything it is supposed to do in a way set out in the program design. Yes, testing is very important. In testing, we are going to find out the mistakes of our program or anything which we missed. So once we are going to test our program, we come to know the problems in our program. We come to know the lacks in our program. And we are going to work accordingly. You remember in testing, we have normally some types of test data. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
What are they?
Was it like one called the verification one? Normal, abnormal, and extreme?
Yes. Normal, abnormal, extreme, and boundary. So these
boundary,
of data we are going to use to check whether our program works according to our requirement or not. And finally, the most important stage is maintenance. What is maintenance? What do you have any idea about it?
Maintenance. So it's just to check if the like program runs its normal function.
Basically, maintenance means that you are going to change your program according to the user requirement. You know about WhatsApp. Did you feel any change in WhatsApp?
No, yes, somewhat.
What is the change?
We can edit messages now, and we couldn't do that before, I'm pretty sure.
And did you see the messages status option is showing in the
Yes.
Okay.
I see that.
And today morning when I wake up, I see the biggest update in the WhatsApp. The AI assistant is appearing in my WhatsApp. I don't know Is it appearing in yours or not? But in my WhatsApp application, the AI is there. So I click on that AI assistant and I ask him some question, and he writes down the answer in a second. I was amazed. AI in my WhatsApp. It's working. So I give AI some task to write down the 1,000 names by using a loop. So it just give me an answer in 3 seconds. Listen. I'm going to send you the screenshot. Look, I don't know why it's not
Okay,
appearing
sir.
in your WhatsApp application. This is very amazed. AI, yes, Meta AI. Okay. I'm sending you the screenshot. Meta AI. Done. I'm sharing it with you. Okay,
Um,
okay, there we go. I was amazed why it's like it's a good thing. So there we go. Check. Check in the group. And
oh,
just giving me answer in a second. And I was amazed, man. It makes my life easy now. So whatever I have a problem now, I will just type it. So you have to update your application right now. So the Meta AI
okay.
will appear in your WhatsApp because your app is not updated, I guess. So these things are called maintenance. Maintenance means to upgrade the thing. Maintenance means to change the thing. Maintenance means to add or amend something. It is very important even in our life. If you're not going to maintain your character, your personality, you're not going to grow with the time, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Like 2 years ago, you playing PlayStation, but right now you don't wanna play with that application or console. Why you think? Oh, it's boring. It's boring, man. I'm not going to play games on PlayStation. This is the thing. The changes. The change is very important in the life. So called the maintenance. Maintenance means that the program is going to be changed, amended, or added with the time, just like WhatsApp and Facebook. Why WhatsApp and Facebook are so common, so popular? Did you ever think why there's no other application and compete with them? There is no competitor of Facebook. Why? Because Facebook is going to be updated every time.
Okay, sir.
So maintenance is the program is maintained throughout its life to ensure it continues to work effectively. This involves dealing with any problem that arise during use, including correcting any errors that come to the light, improving the functionality, or adopting the program to meet with the new requirements. So this is the thing which we use with the maintenance. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So you have to write down the coding, testing, and maintenance. Have you done analysis and design? I think you have done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I've done assistive design.
Okay, so you need to write down coding, testing, and maintenance, but you need to add some points by your own in coding. Do not print it from my notes. I want something different.
Okay, sir. I'll try.
Yes. The linear sequential development cycle is one of the earliest models used, where each stage is completed and signed off before the next stage is begun. So you see the steps are same, program development lifecycle stages, isn't it?
Okay, sir. Yes,
But
sir.
all these stages are in a proper sequence. And you can see there's a staircase, like analysis is first, design is second, coding is third, testing is fourth, and maintenance is fifth. And you see the staircase moving one by one. It means that once the user have finalized the analysis stage, then he have to move to the design stage. Once he is finished with the design stage, then he have to move to the coding. Once he is done with the coding stage, then he have to move to the testing. Once he finished the testing, then he moved to the maintenance. So this staircase model is called the waterfall model. The
Okay, sir.
condition is very clear. The condition is you have to complete the first stage before you start the next stage.
Okay, sir. Understood.
This model is suitable for smaller projects with a short time scale, for which the requirements are well known and unlikely to change. Yes, this program development lifecycle suits to the small project, not the big software development stages. So these are good for the smaller project with a short timeline, and you are going to make a program where you're not going to make changes again and again. So this is called the waterfall model.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have to leave in 5 minutes for a movie.
Okay,
Is that okay? If we
I
end
need
it
to
just 10 minutes early.
I need to wait.
No, I'm saying I have to leave for like in 5 minutes for a movie. So is it okay if we end class 10 minutes early?
Yeah. Okay, no worries, no issues. So when there's a time, let me know. I will stop my lecture.
Okay.
Now, the next is rapid application development called RAD. Now you see here is a waterfall model. Here again is a waterfall model. Here again is a waterfall model. So did you analyze? We have three waterfall models. Why? Listen, we are going to distribute the software development into a number of teams. So how many teams are there? Team one, team two.
And team 2 and team 3.
So there are three teams of programmers. The team number one have to work on the waterfall model. The team number two have to work on the waterfall model, and team three have to work on the waterfall model. It means that the tasks are being assigned to every team, and every team have to perform the waterfall model, whatever the task is. Like team one have the task of, let's suppose, designing. Team two have a task of coding. Team three have a task of maintenance. So these all tasks are being broken down into a waterfall model. So it makes the task easy to develop. And this breaking down of tasks into the teams with the help of a waterfall model is called rapid application development, RAD.
Okay, sir.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Great. So what you have to do first, you need to write down the waterfall model. Then you have to draw this RAD diagram, okay?
Okay, sir.
So start with. We have less than a minute left. So you need to join the same link again, okay?
Sir, can we end it in this meeting?
Okay. So
But I'll copy this down for like
I'm
right
sending
now.
you the screenshot. I'm sending you the screenshot. No worries. So you have to
Okay.
do this in your homework, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz. Take care.